Welcome back to my workshop. Now today it seems like we've got a bit of a problem in the workshop. Let me demonstrate what the problem is. So, what's the problem? Hammers? Have I got a problem? No, that's not the problem. The problem is I don't have a wood carver's mallet. But what I do have is a piece of wood. Let's make a mallet. So I've recently been watching some YouTube videos by a guy called Andy Paramore, whose channel is called Andy's Cornish Creations. Hello Andy. And he's just recently turned a piece of wood, it was ash I think, into a mallet. Now obviously I haven't got any ash, but I do have this old fence post. So I'm going to try and turn myself a mallet, because the one he did was really nice. If you get a chance, check out his channel. Right, I'm going to cut this up and just put it on the lathe and see how we get on. Right, before we go any further, just to show you what I'm doing, turn this down into a circle. Problem is I've got a few knots in here because this is a bit of cheap old wood. I've got a knot there, one here and one here, and one here. Oh god, they're everywhere. So the problem is when I'm turning it, they're not turning as nice. But I'll just keep going and see what happens. Right, let's carry on. Well, that was slightly annoying. The camera, this one up here, this one, yeah, it didn't film. So I just missed loads. Never mind, let's carry on. Right, just starting to sand it down a little bit now. Where the knots are, I think I'm going to put some epoxy putty. Now this stuff is obviously epoxy putty. I'm going to just mix it up and then I'm going to feed it into the knots. Let me see if I can show you the knots here. Yeah, so we've got a nasty knot here, and of course I'm trying to sand it down and it's not working very well. And on here we've got this knot and we've also got this knot. So it's a rubbish piece of wood. Let me try and mix up some of this putty and stick it in the oven. Right, so that's it, it's all finished. One thing I've learned is this sort of wood self-fence post is not the best material to use. Should have used hardwood instead of using like a softwood that I've pulled out of the floor, because during the turning you end up with so much tear out. I mean, this is the off cut off the end. Trying to sand that down and trying to turn it, it was a nightmare. But it's done, and here it is. Yeah, looks okay, feels all right, feels light though, it's very light. But yeah, overall, it's not too bad. Can't get a good finish on it. I think that's probably because of the wood. Yeah, so I've got my little logo in the end there as well, a little token. Yeah, I think it's going to be a useful tool. It's not very heavy, so for light work it's going to be okay. Definitely used the wrong type of wood, and I definitely mucked it up by colouring it. I should have left it as natural colour, because I did some burnishing in these little grooves, and that looked great until I put some colouring on it. Then I didn't wait for it to dry properly, and I put some polish on it, and it's, yeah, I was impatient. So, but as a first attempt, I think it's all right. It should do. It's got quite a few knots in it, but you're only going to be hitting stuff with it anyway. So, hope you enjoyed watching that, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I think my compressor's about to start. Part of, no, let's start again, shall we?